Today's quick video is to show you how to preheat a thermos so the food that you put in really hot stays hot till lunchtime. Here with me, I have 2 thermos containers that I've used year after year. And by the way, if you need some suggestions on great thermos containers, I'll leave some in the description box below for you. But first, I want you to see that these thermos containers are empty and clean, ready to be used. So here I'm boiling some water. You can boil some water in a tea kettle, in a small pot, or in the microwave, in a microwave-safe container, so that your boiling water is what you're going to use to preheat the thermos. So I simply remove the lids and take my boiling water and fill my containers. Now you want to fill it just enough to that first rim and immediately put on the lid. By the way, if you find videos like this helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up so I can give you more quick tip videos like this one on my channel. Again, I'm going to fill the other one right to the lid and immediately put on the lid. Now all you have to do is wait about 5 minutes, go get the food ready, do all the other things, because the hot water is going to heat the inner wall of the thermos, which is made out of air, so the air in there will be hot, and therefore when the food that you put in it is really hot as well, it'll stay hot longer. After 5 minutes, pour out the hot water from the thermos containers, and now your thermoses are ready to be filled immediately with really hot food. By the way, if you're still wondering how hot you should heat the food up to put in the thermos container, I have a video that you can watch next that shows you all those details and more. See you guys next time.